To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, government is proposing an increase in Exp price of petrol, diesel and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis.
Ghana, Mr. Politicians are people that you don't have to trust. You should never trust. This same Xposed, Honorable Obeka said most of the taxes are to especially fuel also no retrogressive. The case retrogressive means that are they actually actually. Now, me say energy sector debt, who is causing it? Sure, politicians will fool us for a long time until we gain our senses. Make Kai Akufo-Addo or buy or the baby that was the energy debts. Sansi can away. The Akufo-Addo who is holding him to what? Accountability. Yes, stupid constitution it doesn't hold the president to accountability. That is what is the cause of our problem in Ghana.
Keep watching Expo.gh, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed FM members, subscribe, share. Me too, man. I was I can be Ghana. Now, before say, Yahoo to Ekakra, fuel price was coming down, things were improving. Then all of a sudden, the Minister of Finance, Xposed, came and said me of a kind, or see at the e-levy at so 1 cedi pay.
To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, government is proposing an increase in Exp price of petrol, diesel and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. And this will mean that consumers will not have to pay extra for the price of petrol and diesel beginning today. Right, Honorable Speaker, our simulations suggest that there will be no increase in the Exp price of petrol and diesel in the next window beginning today if the levy is imposed. This is because of a strong Ghana cedi. Right, Honorable Speaker, the levy will serve as a dedicated source of funding to the power sector, and the proceeds will be earmarked for the procurement of essential fuel for power generation. The Speaker, this will ensure that Ghana enjoys stable electricity.
What is before us is the Energy Sector Levy Amendment Bill. And basically, it is saying that Ghanaians should give 1 cedi, one Ghana cedi each, when they buy a liter of fuel, so that we can end doom so. That's all. 1 cedi. All of us should contribute 1 cedi. Just 1 cedi per, so that we can end doom so. 1 cedi. Each of us, when we buy fuel, 1 liter. The prices are going down. 1 cedi. And Mr. Speaker, it is not e-levy.
Oyama show. Me kram yama sheme. Be waso ni mibi. Ghana, they be Americans me. Mr. Politicians are people that you don't have to trust. And you should never trust. This same Xposed, Honorable Obeka said most of the taxes are to especially fuel also no retrogressive. The case retrogressive means that are they actually pa actually. Me pacho Xposed orefi ye levy 100 cedis near to 1 cedi. And then fuel, how much is it? Liter of fuel, it's about 12 cedis, near to 1 cedi. When you live now, this is what we are basically you live there. Now, me patrol say energy sector debt, who is causing it? Sure, politicians will fool us for a long time until we gain our senses. Because what do we make Kai Akufo-Addo or buy or the baby that was say the energy debts. Sansi can away. The patrol Akufo-Addo who is holding him to what? Accountability. Yes, stupid constitution it doesn't hold the president to accountability. That is what is the cause of our problem in Ghana. Because Akufo-Addo no transition team no he is supposed to be accountable. Me buy sika say na wo ho, me ko sika say scam when am there and I just when am there and you go to mama what pass tuaka na pacho e kan ye tua for how many years na first e kan ye tua no sika no omo ne ye dey are we that dumb? Are we that stupid? Say we don't even know what we are doing? Yera uyo bia me bo abaso na me bu mani anu start here Ghanaian politicians suban yi na me fosu wan try yi oh no people acho say energy sector debt bi wo hon ma me acho members of the Article 71 holders no omunye above to pay electricity. Me and my electricity. Everybody pays. So where does the debt come from? That is the question. Because as long as you the problem of baby a debt in FIBA, now they be a yet you on you bet you want to like kingdom come, I swear. And koda. Now, what do be? Omu came yet say your friend is saying a lorry first so omu ye no and no say me the one see abeto so ye dada ye na ho na drivers ne say oboa emfa yenkotie drivers union emra.
We are here to make sure we organize this press conference on behalf of all transport operators. The commercial transport operators, including GPRTU of TUC, are by this statement demanding immediate removal of the 1 cedi energy sector levy imposed on petroleum products. This levy, which is coming on the heels of the recent reduction in transport fares, will significantly increase operational costs, resulting in loss of income, which will affect our livelihood and the general public. We are therefore calling on government to reverse the levy immediately and engage us on major stakeholders on the way forward. In the event that our call is not heeded to, we will be compelled to take industrial action and park our vehicles on June 10th, 2025. We urge the government to consider the impact of the levy on the transport sector and the consequences of our action on the economy and engage us on meaningful deliberations to help address challenges in the energy sector. We thank you very much.
Patrol drivers, Mudika. You see, if we are saying, you'll be a friend trust. You are John Hamahama, or fear. Ubano say, you won't add any new tax. Because you're owning a nuisance tax. Do buy now. What's coming here? Share, more fear. You are Kufa to buy, or you're the same strategy. May catch up say NDC, NPP, the same. You are Kufa to buy, or say nuisance taxes be or if you want, or we are not adding 17 new taxes. Emma Ghana for CNTia. Was ye Jimmy? And now, you are John Mahama Waba. Petroleum sector now, the highest tax now will never 55 pesos. Or no, or the 1 cedi. Aka petroleum taxes. Which means, say, Ochina, you're sorry. Now, your friend is saying, world when prices need cost right. It means that Ghanaians are going to pay double what we were paying previously. That is the reality. To force it. Enti bebrebe you say, can't we think outside the box, kaka? Yes, PPEs, deals now, they are making money far more than they should make. The losses in the energy sector are man-made, which can be stopped. Ministries of bills, you can surcharge them and they will pay. Find job for them to do, they will pay. What you say? Free for the ministers and the appointees of the mom girlfriends. It needs to stop. These are the things which are contributing to what we call the energy debts. And John Mahama and once we are back home, or China, whoever comes will come and add 2 cities. Ghanaians, we should wake up and demand a better governance. Say na Ghana yabuna akola kwabeti yabu Ghana. Oba petroleum no for tax to so na this can di. That's all. You are doing something good, but you are starting to go right into line beer Ghana for baby. Na kokwa me boy ni say sawuka obia me to me in a political space or the crossroads are a Mahama. Say Mahama when to me and Ghana year within these 4 years. I don't want to say what will happen in Ghana. A being who I'm telling you. Because people are giving Ghana politicians the last chance. Ekufuado ye feel say or a messiah or by disaster. Yera Mahama, you've been there before, so you know all the problems. And to we are expecting you to fix, especially change the laws. It makes one man not accountable, the president. The laws which protect the president should be removed. And can now you can say, and can you friend ministers and can friend be? That's what we call accountability. But scratch my back, scratch your back, no, it has to stop. And then you can once a month or China, it can be something else. So I support the drivers. Tuesday, yen so that they will know. Say, sad time na sabe, Jimiane Kosuna yeti washano, this time we are wide awake. Because of somebody like Ibrahim Tuarinti, we are wide awake. It is a Tuesday. Sawon kopeka na wenya car who said eye yera John Mahama na say obai ne ask me oye and the driver say emfa. Because Ghana baby ayedu na say yen so ye ho toye ya bre. I Xposed GHFM member subscribe share me 2 man I was like be manuasi.
Watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.